Now, very important, why 5th, 7th, 11th and 13th harmonics are transformer killers? Why only these are killing the transformer? We should understand, right? See, understanding the perfect storm of frequency, magnitude and sequence. Okay. The question, what is the question? Why these specific harmonics? Why only this? That is the question. All harmonics create distortion, okay, but transformers fail primary from 5th, 7th, 11th and 13th harmonics. Why not third? That we are going to see. Or 9th or higher harmonics. Why not these? See, what is 5th harmonic? Multiply by, let's say, 60 US frequency, United States. So 65th, okay, 300 hertz. Okay. Now 7th, 7 multiply by 6, that is 420, 60. Then 11th is 660 and then 13th is 780. So this is the frequency of these particular harmonics. Now reason 1, first reason, high magnitude. These harmonics are of high magnitude. See, created by 6 pulse rectifiers, UPS, VFD, SMPS. These are the main equipments which are creating harmonics, and those are transferred to our transformer. Okay, UPS, VFD and SMPS. Now, harmonic order. H is equal to 6n plus or minus 1. So, this is a Fourier series in mathematics, in engineering. Maths 3, we have seen Fourier series. That is what is used here. H is equal to 6n plus or minus 1. Now, for 1, if you put 1 here in place of n, what will happen? 6 becomes 6 only. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 minus 1, 5th. So, for 1, 5th and 7th. Okay. And n is equal to 2, that is 11th and 13th. Same formula. Now, see these equipments. Why Fourier series? We have seen already. These equipments creates or works on Fourier series. Okay, we have seen, and that is why these harmonics are getting created majoritarily, because the basic principle of UPS or means rectifier, VFD is also rectifier, SMPS is also rectifier. All these 6 pulse rectifiers, because of this 6 pulse, here it is 6. Okay, so this, because of this Fourier series, 5th harmonics 20% are created by these things, by this 6 pulse rectifier. 7th is 14%, 9% is 11th, 8% is 13th, and 17th is less than 5%, which is negligible, we can neglect. So till this is good amount of harmonics are created. Okay, so magnitude is high, then total is 51%. 51%. So these 4 harmonics is equal to 50% of all harmonic energy. So these are major contributor. That is reason number 1. Second reason, sequence component. Why not third? Okay, 9th or 15th harmonics. Why? Negative sequence. Sequence is very much important. So these are of negative sequence. So negative sequence 5th, 11th and 17th. Counter rotating double damage. These things 7th, 11th and 17th are counter rotating. So damage is double. See, if we have seen the conductor in rotor, while in generator module I have explained it in detail, When conductor is moving and cutting, see parallel lines are there, right? We are seeing alternator, round alternator. Okay, so these are the lines, magnetic lines are cut by the conductor. Okay, so when those are cutting in 90 degree, that is peak. So our sinusoidal wave. Okay, now wave is moving in this direction. Harmonics are flowing in opposite direction, negative sequence. If sequence is exactly negative, it will do the more damage. 5th, okay, 11th and 7th are negative. The phase sequence is, if this is at positive, this is at negative. That is negative phase sequence. Okay, so these are double damaging. These will interfere more. These will not allow that what magnetic field to flow. It is flowing in one direction. In that core we have seen it is flowing in one direction, it is counteracting it. Okay, that is why negative sequence is doing double damage. It is neutralizing. Okay, so efficiency will come down because energy transfer will not happen in the winding. Okay, from this winding energy is transferred through magnetic lines. Okay, magnetic field towards the another coil. If it is opposing, this negative opposing, then there will be damage. Efficiency will come down. Now positive sequence 7th, 13th and 19th, normal rotation, standard stress. Okay. Now third is zero sequence. Positive sequence is going in same direction. Zero sequence 3rd, 9th and 15th trapped or neutral, doesn't reach windings. See, if you have a delta, then it is trapped, delta winding, delta Y or delta star transformer. Or if it is at output we have a star and then delta. So either it is trapped in where? The isolation transformer, because it is delta Y transformer, isolation transformer. Then it is trapped there, it will not come to the transformer, or it will flow through neutral, 3rd harmonics, 9th harmonics, 15th harmonics. All multiple triplets it is called. All triplets will flow through neutral. Keep in mind, all triplets will flow through neutral because they will find that low resistance path, neutral. Doesn't reach winding, then it will not come to winding. Either if it is a delta, okay, delta triangle, then it will be trapped. If it is a star, then it will go to neutral. Okay, simple. So trapped or neutral. So 9th or 15th, in both the cases, whatever be the connection of transformer, it is getting neutralized, doesn't reach to windings. Okay, so that is the reason these 9th, 3rd, 9th and 15th harmonics are not reaching to transformer, and that is why those are not damaging. Now rest is what? These things, 5th, 7th, 11th, 13th, 19th, 17th. But main reason is 5th, 7th, 11th, 13th and 17th. These are created in high magnitude. So 5th and 11th negative sequence, 5th and 11th negative sequence cause most damage. 5th and 11th. What is the magnitude? 5th is 20% and 11th is 9%. So these are doing most of the damage. Now you know, if you want to neutralize for the transformer, then you need to target these 5th and 11th harmonics.